all, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma Job Alert. There is a walk-in interview at Virchow Biotech Pvt Limited and the department is Biologics in Manufacturing. Qualification required for it is Master's or Bachelor degree in Life Sciences, Biotechnology, Microbiology or Biochemistry. Freshers can apply to this. And another department is again Biologics Manufacturing, but experience required is 2 to 4 years. Of the designation is Executive USP and DSP. USP role includes bioprocess experts, bioreactor, separator, and DSP role includes biotherapeutics, protein separation by high and low pressure chromatographic technique. And the venue of the interview is at survey number 172, Gagilapur, Kutbullapur, Medchel, Malkagiri district, Hyderabad. And the date of the interview is at 26th August 2023 from 9:30 am to 12 pm. And thank you all for watching our video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert and get more and latest updates related to pharma jobs. Thank you.